And yeah, it's lovely to see that the games are going to be coming back in Liverpool. That's wonderful. I just to make 25, so I'm sure that's okay. Marking away to the plane. Well, I see the temperatures are